So you're probably wondering why this card is so important. Well, let's find out. This card represents that you're a member in Mukafaat Loyalty Program, which means that you're a member in our family now, a family that cares and puts you first. And we did that by developing this tailor-made program that rewards you points for every single dirham that you spend here in German Experts. Yes, you heard me right. Here's how you sign up. It's easy as a pie. You can just sign up for free once you bring your car here to German Experts, and you will start earning points immediately as soon as you sign up. Wait, that's not it. During your journey, your membership will keep upgrading, which means that you'll start receiving complimentary fascinating things for your car. So, are you ready to join?